My beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video I will be sharing with you all an amazing hair care remedy that can fixes your all hair problems and gives you a triple hair growth naturally. This remedy gives you a shiny, silky and strong hairs at home. I am talking about hair oil which is used by everyone for their hair care. I have sharing two remedies of hair care. First is homemade Amla hair oil, and second is hair growth pack. Homemade Amla hair oil is a popular natural remedy for hair care, and it's often touted for its potential benefits in promoting hair growth, reducing hair fall, and improving overall hair health. I hope you will find useful remedies for hair. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. So, let's start it. For this we will need curry leaves. Take a handful of curry leaves, which is also known as curry patta. Curry leaves are a rich source of antioxidants, beta-carotene, proteins, and alkaloids. The antioxidants present in the curry leaves help moisturize the scalp and remove the dead hair follicles. Beta-carotene, protein, and alkaloids present in the curry leaves are beneficial in retaining natural hair tone, promoting hair growth, and preventing hair loss and hair thinning. Put curry leaves in a blender. Second most potent ingredient is Amla, Indian gooseberry. Take 2 to 3 Amla and wash and clean thoroughly with water. Cut the Amla into small pieces and remove the seeds. Amla or the Indian gooseberry can treat hair loss effectively. This edible fruit is considered as a miracle cure for hair care. It stimulates hair growth and improves the quality of hair. It contains calcium, which promotes healthier hair. It helps strengthen hair follicles and reduces hair thinning. You can even include Amla in your diet. Adding Amla to your diet helps reduce oxidative stress and reduces free radicals. Vitamin C in Amla increases the antioxidants in your body. Amla can benefit hair in multiple ways, right from controlling hair fall to reducing dandruff. This potent ingredient can be very effective for hair. Add these pieces in a blender. Remove its seeds for smooth blending. Next ingredient, we add fenugreek seeds, which is highly beneficial in hair regrowth. Add 2½ spoon of fenugreek seeds in a blender. Promotes hair growth. Fenugreek seeds are known to stimulate hair growth by nourishing the hair follicles and increasing blood circulation to the scalp. The proteins present in fenugreek seeds strengthen the hair shaft, reducing hair fall and promoting the growth of new, healthy strands. Add a cup of water in a blender and make a fine paste. We got a fine paste. In a clean bowl we transfer this paste. Add 1 spoon coconut oil in this paste. Helps get long hair. Coconut oil can be highly beneficial for growing hair longer. It helps to moisturize the hair, which prevents breakage. It helps prevent protein loss and offers protection against wind, sun and smoke. Mix all the ingredients well combined. Our magical hair regrowth pack is ready now. Apply this remedy on all your scalp to the end of the hair. Leave it for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Rinse it off with mild shampoo. So, use this hair pack twice in a week and makes your hair healthy, strong, and problem-free. Let's move on second remedy. This remedy is homemade Amla hair oil. In a clean bowl we take remaining paste. This powerful Ayurvedic mixture is enriched with Amla, fenugreek seed and curry leaves, all of which work together to strengthen follicles and roots. It also promotes better, natural hair growth, leaving your hair looking shiny, strong, and luscious. Next ingredient, we add 3 spoons of coconut oil in this paste. Substitute of coconut oil, you can add mustard oil also. Add 1 spoon castor oil in this paste. Castor oil can boost hair growth up to 5 times the usual rate. It can moisturize a dry, irritated scalp. Castor oil's antibacterial and antifungal properties can reduce dandruff. It helps to grow new hairs. Mix all the ingredients well combined. With the help of a double boiler method we will prepare this Amla oil. Take a pan and add water in it. Keep the bowl in this pan and put it on a gas flame. Be sure that keep the gas flame on a medium heat. Stir occasionally and do not burn the mixture. When the color of the oil changes and all the properties of the mixture come into the oil, then turn off the flame. Remove the pan from heat and cool down the oil. We filter the oil with the help of a strainer or a muslin cloth. We extract out the oil and store in a glass container. We got a homemade Amla oil. Forget extra benefits, we add some extra oils. We add half a cup of almond oil. Almond oil is rich in nutrients. It is rich in omega fatty acids, vitamin E and other essential minerals. It has many benefits for hair and scalp. Almond oil strengthens and repairs hair. Almond oil could make your hair grow. Almond oil nourishes scalp. Due to high magnesium content, almond oil prevents hair fall. Add 1 spoon vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil works to nourish your scalp and hair, restoring proper function so your hair grows properly. It also increases blood circulation to the scalp, which aids in overall hair growth. Vitamin E's antioxidant powers help fight free radicals so your scalp can support healthy hair follicles. Mix all the ingredients well together. Apply this homemade Amla oil on your clean scalp and root. Massage for 5 minutes with pressure points. Leave it on for 1 to 2 hours or leave it overnight. Rinse it off with mild shampoo. Apply this Amla hair oil 2 to 3 times in a week. Regular use can help improve hair health, promote hair growth, and prevent issues like dandruff. I hope you will find useful remedies for hair. Thanks for watching. Share your valuable experience with us in comment section. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. I have shared hair regrowth pack and homemade Amla hair oil.